Absolutely. Huge excitement on the currency markets. The pound hitting this 26-year high against the dollar. In fact, at one point it was $2.01. It broke through that $2 mark on Monday. That was after the UK government announced inflation of 3.1%, which took the city by surprise, really. In fact, was way above the UK government's target. It led to talk of a rise in interest rates. That just supported sterling further because it makes certain investments particularly attractive to traders. Since then, we've had more data which has pushed sterling even higher. The minutes of the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee have been published. They showed that 2 out of 9 members voted for an immediate rise in interest rates. That's likely to take place, though, now on about the 10th of May, going up to 5.5%. Average earning figures also came out. They showed that wages are rising for the fastest in 3 years, but that's just caused further problems for the bank. It's now worried that people looking at inflation will demand more pay, and that in turn will create more inflation. This is how the currencies are trading at the moment, though. There's the pound against the dollar, still well above that $2 mark.
And of course the euro is strong against the dollar as well, isn't it? And this is as much about problems in the US economy as anything else.
Indeed it is, yes. The dollar's actually at a 2-year low against the euro. Investors seem to be showing a change of heart. They're now seeing Europe as the main engine for growth compared with the US. In fact, the Eurozone's growing faster than the US for the first time in 5 years. In the US, we've got worries about the state of the economy. You've got the $800 billion US trade deficit and home foreclosures. Bank repossessions, they're on the rise. They're 47% higher than a year ago, which is just reinforcing views that the Fed is going to cut rates. The question now is, how is this all going to end for the dollar? Well, many people say we're in for a period of sustained dollar weakness, particularly against the pound and the euro.
Karen, we'll keep an eye on it. Thank you very much indeed for that from the London Stock Exchange.